Welcome back. The next menu over is the View menu. And the View menu gives you a number of different ways to look at your document so you'll be able to edit it as well as to be able to make additions. So for example, in the Views tab, you can look at your document in different ways. You can look at it in read mode, for example, and this is a way of being able to read through your content. In order to go back to the other view, you would just go back to View and click Edit. It'll take you back to the editing view, which is the print layout. You can look at the web layout as it is, or you can go back to the print layout. You can view your page and have a ruler. You can view it with grid lines. You'll be able to see those grid lines here. You can view it with a navigation pane. And this will give you access to all of your different titles and subtitles and help you to find different places inside of your document where you want to start looking. You can enlarge the text or the screen by zooming in. Or you can go back to 100% and zoom back out. You can also choose to look at your document side by side. This will give you 2 pages at a time in order for you to view. Now the Windows tabs give you different ways of being able to organize what you're seeing on your screen in order to work on different sections of the document at the same time. So if you want to control how you are seeing the document in order to make it easier to work on, you can come to the View command and use any of the tabs in order to make your document more readable as well as easy to work on. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.